What's your happy place? Mine, it might not be a surprise, is my shop. I love it in here. I love grabbing a coffee, walking through that door, and seeing my space and knowing that there's good stuff in store. It's where I come to think about what I do next, not just in making. It's kind of a retreat, a respite from everything else in my life. If I just need a breather, I can come in here and just look at things and just think about anything but my troubles. Makers can probably relate. If you are one, you might have a similar space. It might not be a shop. It could just be a desk or a place you like to sit your computer or a spot outside. You name it. Everyone has it, I hope. It's good. It's good to have that place to go to in times of need. It's a happy place. It's definitely where I go to lift my spirits. Just like seeing stuff, whether it's raw materials. My bank of wood and plastic and metal is behind the camera here. It's cool to see that. It's all good stuff, inspiring. My tools, my table saws over there. Even my computer that I use here keeps me going. Hope you get in your happy spot sometime this weekend. I'll be back on Monday with more of these vlogs, as well as some shorts and maybe even a feature-length video. If you have ideas for what you'd like to see, of course, shoot them my way. Love to hear what you're doing too. Take time to go to your happy place.